much, GROWFRIEND, for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it. This is what it looks like when you open up the box. And ooh, that is nice packaging. Nicely packaged. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Okay, so when you open up the box, everything is inside of the seed starting tray. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. You have all the goodies in there that you're gonna need for seed starting. So we have this top piece. We have some tools. How cute are those? Some lights, some LED lights, I believe. Labels. You can never have enough labels. Ooh, it comes with a ton of stuff. We have a 3-way meter. These, I believe, go on top of the seed starting tray. A heat mat. Ooh, we've got some sticky insect traps. So if anybody knows, when you're starting seedlings indoors, you start to get pests like gnats and things like that. They'll start getting onto the soil and stuff like that. So these are nice to have. It comes with a seed starting tray. Oh, this is pretty sturdy for a seed starting tray. Probably the most sturdy seed starting tray I've ever had. So I'm excited for that. It's nice and sturdy. It's not super bendable, but it's still flexible enough so that you can work with your seedlings. This is very sturdy, not super bendy to where, you know, your stuff is gonna fold in and fall. So great quality on the tray for sure. Number one, you get your seed starter tray, your grow lights and your power supply, plant labels and small garden tools, constant temperature heat mat, you get a 3-in-1 soil meter, and you get sticky gnat traps. So that's what you get in here. And then you have all of your instructions, which looks super easy to go ahead and set up. And of course you want to have this, you know, indoors somewhere. But for the purposes of this video, I thought it would be nice to be out in nature. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy together. We've got our heat mat. And this is so perfect for, definitely for beginner gardeners who don't have a lot of space for seed starting, because I'm in a small space and I don't have a lot of space for seed starting. That's why I'm in my closet. So this kit is perfect for a small space gardener like myself. You can put this kit anywhere. You can put it on top of a table. You can put it underneath a bed. This mat is really nice. It's really cushy. Really nice. I really like how the thickness of it. Okay, so here we go. We've got our heat mat. It's waterproof and it goes from 10 to 20 degrees above grow room temperature. So, okay. And then we have this top. These two little things go on the top of the lid. Just click in like that. Okay, got the other one in. So that's what that looks like. And this is just so if you want to keep the moisture in while the seeds are germinating, you can just close this. It opens and it closes. So during germination, you would probably want to keep those closed so that your seedlings don't dry out. And on top of here, inside of these grooves right here, you can see that there are some nice grooves. This is where your lights go. And this is probably my favorite part about this grow kit, is that it comes with these small lights, and you don't have to go and buy those bulky lights, you know, the shop lights that you have to buy from Walmart. It comes with these small, thin LED lights, and they just pop right on top of the lid. So you don't need anything to hang this. The LED lights just sit right on top of the lid like so. And I just think that is so freaking amazing. This little kit takes up no space at all. You can basically put this anywhere, on top of a shelf, underneath a desk, anywhere that you can fit it. It comes with a plug. It comes with the switch on, the dimming, and the timing. It comes with a soil meter, so you can use this outside in your garden. You can use it to test the soil in here if you need to, but I think that's just a handy thing to have, and I've never had one of these. These little tools, this is a dibber on the end, and I feel like this would be great for just any little scooping or digging that you need to do in a small space. Likewise for this, maybe getting your seedlings out of here, you could use that, something like that. It says that it goes from 20% brightness all the way up to 100% brightness. It says the seed starting mat takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to warm up. So not too long at all, just give it a couple minutes and it'll warm up. And we're gonna let that warm. And then we're gonna plug in these lights because that's what I'm most excited about. So we've got it plugged in. Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh! Okay, so she's plugged in. We're gonna do the dimming. Let's see. Okay, so you can see how bright it gets. How cool is that? I love this so much. Timing. Red is 3 hours, blue is 6 hours, red and blue is 12 hours. So this will stay on a timer, so you don't even have to worry about how long it'll stay on. It'll just cut off on its own. And this heat mat is already nice and warm. You guys, I wish I would have known about this kit when I first started gardening. I would have purchased this instead of purchasing a heat mat for $48 with the timer, and then plus the grow lights, and then plus my own seed starting trays like this. If you're a beginner gardener, this is all you need. And plus you get all of these extra tools that come along with it. It's a steal. Look at all this that you get in this kit. It's amazing. I am so excited to use this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get her planted. I'm gonna go ahead and put my seed starting mix in here, and we'll see what seeds we wanna start. Pumpkin seeds, marigolds, zinnias. I'm gonna use my little dibber. Everything sown. It looks wonderful. I did zinnias, marigolds, and pumpkins. I'm gonna go ahead and water these from the top one good time, and then the rest of the way I'll just bottom water. Just lift this up and water from the bottom, and the water will soak to the top so that you don't disturb your seedlings.
So putting that together and sowing all those seeds was so therapeutic. I enjoyed the whole process of it. I am really loving this kit. It was just super easy, straight to the point. You have all your tools. You don't have anything to worry about. I absolutely love this kit and I would highly recommend it for any gardener, any new gardener. If you have a small space, a minimal space, you do not need much to grow your seedlings with this kit. So thank you, GROWFRIEND, for sponsoring this video. They are giving you guys a 10% off discount code. So I will link it here and I will link the link in my description box. So make sure you check out GROWFRIEND. This kit is absolutely amazing. You will not be disappointed, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.